So our research fields are sound or noise control, acoustics, heat, air and moisture control, and sustainability of buildings, enclosures and construction elements, I would say. We provide development and research in laboratory testing, but also in simulation and theory. The Laboratory of Building Physics, together with the Institute of Building Construction, represents academic education and research in the field of building construction and building physics. The work in the laboratory of building physics covers the field of building physics in education, research and development, and also product testing. The lab has a quality management system according to ISO 17025, and as an European notified body and a national accredited laboratory, we are able to do testing in our field of expertise according to the European Constructions Products Directive. We are also actively involved in the work of relevant standard bodies, for example the Austrian Standards Institutes, and also in some CEN and CEN and ISO bodies, notified standard bodies, and in the expert committee of the OIB, for example, the Austrian Institute of Construction Engineering. On the one hand, we are working with industrial and commercial research partners on the development of windows, doors, light-white facades, curtain walling, glazing systems, but also building elements and different materials. For example, new systems of building elements in wood, brick, concrete, gypsum, and so on. And we are also developing ourselves innovative testing facilities for our research work. I would say our target market is, on the one hand, the innovative part of the construction industry, but also the public authorities for more global, not direct product-related research activities. Yeah. We try to help getting technical advantages, I would say, for products in the market, to help developing products with special or new requirements, or a better quality, for example, or in sometimes also to get cheaper without loss of quality. I can say that in the last 10 years since our founding here in the Building Construction Center of the Graz University of Technology, we had a revenue of nearly 5 million euros, and if you follow the speech, that you have €1 for the idea, €10 for development, €100 for producing, and €1,000 for marketing. So the value for our clients must be a multiple of that, of our revenue for their products. Yeah, I think it's also a fact that nearly all our staff and most of the equipment since 2004 has been financed by third-party funds, and so through our own work and research. In developing the laboratory skills, competences and testing facilities, I tried to have multi-purpose facilities with a broad diversity in the application. But also high quality and reliability is an important theme here. We try to have an overall approach of our work. It's the intention of our staff to help our clients to get a higher value through our work by providing better services and to give a detailed reply to their problems. Yeah. I would say to solve problems, not to solve single questions. We are also use the possibilities of a technical university and other research partners if there are a need of an extended competence, for example, in other fields for solving a special problems or to get a better overview. I think the environmental challenges are increasing, as everybody can feel. The result is a more complex world of standards, of requirements and higher expectations on our buildings and constructions. In future, I think sustainability, repairability and possibility of disassembly and also recycling will become of greater importance. Beside the approach of innovative IT sensor systems and new materials. So I can't see an end for our work in future, but we will have, I think, a watchful eye to an excellent education of our future staff to solve the technical problems and challenges of the future. So we have to do a lot for education, academic education. Develop our skills and facilities for future demand. This is I think this is a continuous process depending on the development of the market. Therefore, it's necessary to invest continuously in the facilities, but also in the staff training. And besides, it's necessary to take single bigger steps to new technologies, for example. Maybe next time when you come, I can show you one of our next developments, which is in planning stage now. As mentioned above, we are open to cooperations and networking partners in our fields of expertise, but also in a more global view. In future, we will have to follow a quotation or a speech of Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, I would say. All things are developing from the primitive to a complicated way, and then back to the simple. And I'm convinced that the path to the simple passes through intelligent cooperation between different disciplines.